Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. With a 13mm and 15mm socket, remove the bolts and nuts retaining the factory spare tire crossmember. Step 3. Insert the spare tire crossmember into place, one side at a time. Hammer the crossmember into place until the frame holes align. With the 13mm socket and 15mm wrench, install the M10 hardware. Repeat on both sides. Using a 13mm socket, screw the support bars into place with the included M8 hardware. Finally, paint the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer spray paint. Then you're done!